Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I make sweet French toast, and I love it so much. You can also try it. And first we add 1 egg. So wait, let me lift that there. Pour it. Okay. And we're going to mix it. Just mash that. See that? I'm making French toast. And then we add sugar. And then mix it. Mix the sugar. Yeah, it doesn't have quite a smoke. And then we add a little bit of milk. Oh yeah, that is good. See that? I love French toast. It's my favorite food. I'm gonna have it with some whipped cream. We're gonna put the whipped cream later. Oh, I think it's a good mix. See that, guys? And we're gonna dip 1 bread. And we gotta let it soak. Let the egg soak in the bread. So let's just put it in. Okay guys, we're gonna cook it on the gas now. We're gonna put it in like this. It's getting nice and brown. Look at that. Okay guys, now we're gonna put it on the plate and put some whipped cream now. Look guys, I'm ready to eat it now. It has a whipped cream with a smiley face. Yum. Okay guys, we'll see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.